The anyfree 2026 newly solar video doorbell camera wireless with Chime Pro 2nd is designed for homeowners looking for a convenient way to monitor their front door without relying on complicated wiring. By combining wireless installation with solar charging support, this model focuses on reducing maintenance while keeping the camera powered for everyday use. That combination can be especially appealing for anyone who prefers a cleaner installation and less frequent battery management. One of the standout features is its 2K resolution, which provides a sharper image than standard HD doorbells. Higher resolution can make it easier to identify faces, packages, or other details around the entrance, helping users get a clearer view of activity at the front door. The wide-angle lens also expands the viewing area, allowing more of the doorstep and surrounding space to remain visible in a single frame. This broader perspective can reduce blind spots that might otherwise hide visitors or deliveries. The inclusion of AI human detection adds another layer of practicality. Rather than sending alerts for every movement, this feature is intended to recognize people, making notifications more relevant for daily use. While no detection system is perfect, focusing on human activity can help reduce unnecessary interruptions compared to basic motion detection systems. The package also includes the Chime Pro 2nd, making it easier to hear doorbell notifications throughout the home, even if a phone is not immediately nearby. This provides an additional level of convenience, especially in larger homes or situations where mobile notifications might be missed. As with any smart doorbell, the overall experience depends on proper placement and a reliable wireless connection, since image quality and notification performance can be influenced by the surrounding environment. Buyers should also consider whether the available features match their specific security needs, as only the listed capabilities should be expected. Overall, the anyfree 2026 newly solar video doorbell camera wireless with Chime Pro 2nd offers an appealing combination of solar-powered convenience, 2K video clarity, a wide-angle field of view, AI human detection, and an included indoor chime. For those seeking a modern wireless video doorbell that emphasizes easier maintenance and practical everyday monitoring, it presents a well-rounded feature set based on the available information without relying on unnecessary complexity.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.